There was once a young man named Ethan. Ethan was not stupid. He was not careless. And he was not without dreams. In fact, Ethan had big ambitions. He wanted a better life. He wanted respect. He wanted to become someone people admired. But there was one problem. Ethan was lazy. Not lazy in a loud way. Not lazy like sleeping all day. He was lazy in a quiet way. He planned a lot. He thought a lot. But he acted very little. Every night, Ethan told himself, "Tomorrow I will start." But tomorrow always became next week. And next week became next year. Slowly, without realizing it, Ethan started hating himself. What hurt Ethan the most was not failure. It was something deeper. He knew he could do better. He watched others succeed. People who were not smarter than him. People who started later than him. And every time he saw them win, a small voice inside whispered, "That could have been you." That voice hurt more than criticism, more than rejection, more than failure, because it was true. At night, Ethan scrolled on his phone, watching motivational videos, saving quotes, liking posts about discipline. But nothing changed. Motivation came and went. Guilt stayed. One evening, feeling heavy and tired, Ethan went for a walk outside his town. At the edge of the road, he saw an old man sitting under a tree. The man looked calm, peaceful, different. Ethan sat beside him without saying a word. After a few minutes, the old man spoke softly. "You look tired. Not in your body, but in your soul." That sentence hit Ethan hard. He looked at the old man and said, "I have dreams, but no discipline. I want more, but I do nothing. What is wrong with me?" The old man smiled gently. The old man said, "You are not lazy. You are afraid." Ethan was surprised. The man continued, "You are afraid of effort, afraid of discomfort, afraid of failing after trying your best." Then he said something Ethan would never forget. "Lazy people don't dream big. Only ambitious people feel this pain." Ethan felt tears in his eyes. The old man pointed to the road ahead and said, "Every day you stand at the start line, but instead of walking, you think. Thinking feels safe. Action feels risky." The old man picked up a small stone from the ground and gave it to Ethan. "Hold this stone in your hand," he said. "Is it heavy?" Ethan said, "No." The old man smiled. "Hold it for 1 minute." 1 minute passed. "No problem." "Now hold it for 1 hour," the man said. Ethan understood. The stone didn't change, but the pain did. The old man explained, "Your dreams are like this stone. They are light when you take small action. But when you delay, when you carry guilt for years, they become unbearable." The old man looked straight at Ethan and said, "Motivation is emotional. Discipline is mechanical. You don't wait to feel ready to brush your teeth. You don't need motivation to eat. Discipline means doing small things, even when you don't feel like it." He paused and added, "Ambition without discipline becomes self-hatred." That line stayed with Ethan. The old man gave Ethan one rule. Do one small hard thing every day. Not 10. Not perfect. Not exciting. Just one. Wake up when the alarm rings. Read 1 page. Work for 10 minutes. Start badly, but start. Ethan nodded. That night, something changed. For the first time, he didn't promise a perfect future. He promised one small action tomorrow. Weeks passed. Ethan still felt lazy sometimes, still felt tired, still doubted himself. But now he acted despite those feelings. Slowly, confidence replaced guilt. Progress replaced overthinking. Action replaced excuses. He wasn't perfect, but he was moving, and that changed everything. One day, Ethan returned to the tree. The old man was gone, but the lesson remained. Ethan finally understood. You don't need more motivation. You need fewer excuses. Your future is created by what you do on days you don't feel like doing anything. If you are watching this right now, and something inside you feels uncomfortable, that's not the story hurting you. That's truth waking you up. You are not broken. You are not late. You are not lazy beyond repair. You are simply one decision away from change. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Do one small thing after this video, and let that be the moment your life quietly begins to change. If this story touched your heart, you are not alone. Like, share, or subscribe, not for the channel, but to remind yourself that change is possible. Until next time, take care of your mind and keep moving forward.